This is my part 2 of my fireworks session. Oh my god, hey. Where should I start?
I can't believe you got all these fireworks, man. So awesome.
I know. I got another half brick of Tasmanian Devils. I got mini Canadian rockets, wiggle worms, and strobe lights. Another something called Mean Machines, the same as a hot shot. And I got bottle rockets, more Tasmanian Devils, jumbo dancing devils, mini air bombs, mighty mites, crackling balls, more Tasmanian Devils, jumbo ground blooms, screecheroos, skyrockets, air bombs, a mortar.
Red mine. Red mine.
Oh, okay. And more bottle rockets, more skyrockets, more air bombs, dragon eggs, more Tasmanian Devils, and skyrocket. No, ball rockets.
Yeah.
And I don't know what these are called. Large rocket fountain. Ooh.
You'll have to use it.
And then I took apart one of these 91 shot Roman candles, and you just have Roman candles inside, so you just split it in half and then you take them all apart, and they work fine. And then I got 2, so I have, instead of 1 I have 2 now, and that's it, 9 Roman candles. Okay, see ya.